right, $25 bet on quarters, which is the minimum bet. The one good hold and spin bonus, or 4 multipliers, 1 in each row, 3 and 2. Nope. 3 and 3. All right, got 2 multipliers on. I got aces all the way across. Times 6. $600. 3 and 3. I need some coins now. Coin. Yep, there we go. Some action going around us too. 3 and 3. Nope. Come on, I need 8 squares or 2 more. There we go. So it gets to be queens. Hit $140. 4 more. 3 and 3. Come on, coins. 1 more. There we go. Save the day. I think someone says 1 square bonus. So hold and spin. Coin. Wow. Queens to 4 columns. Paid $9. All right, last shot. I need 2 coins or 8 squares. Not gonna happen. We'll do 3 backup spins. After that, we'll do a 4th one. 3 and 2. Let's throw in 1 more for measure. Not gonna work. All right, see ya.